Hi everyone, today I'm going to tell you the basics of Scratch. I know we already have done some lessons, but we're going to do the looks one and some more of the motion blocks. So let's start. Basically, today's episode is going to be about these. So all of these blocks we learned already: the move blocks, the turning blocks, the go to random position blocks. Wait a moment. And this one, go to 0 0. I can change it whenever I want. And this one, glide 1 second to random position or mouse pointer. We can do it to this one as well. This one is to do this, but glide 1 second. So the same one, okay? This is done, I told you here last episode or whatever. Wait. This one, see? Let me quickly drag this here. This one point towards mouse pointer, or I think, yeah, that's all. See? And that's all. And these ones, this one, wait, I think we already done this. Change Y by 10, set Y by 0. And this one, if bounce of edge, if on edge bounce. So set wait, I don't think we need this one. This is pretty useless. And these ones I will not. I think you shouldn't need them for this lesson. I'll teach you these ones and two of the looks ones, okay? This one is to turn. No, this is to go 10 steps forward. See, and go to a random position. Turn 15 degrees. Go to 0, where you were a while ago. Turn 15 degrees again. I don't know why I want it. Glide to a random position. And mouse pointer. Glide to 0. And this point towards mouse pointer. And wait a moment. This again. Change X by 10. Change Y by 10. Set Y to 0. Done. And this one you cannot do anything. So basically that's all. I have a question. Can you answer it? Let's see. Go to YouTube, and it would be super helpful if you subscribe to our channel. That will be super helpful. Thank you. So we already done this. So let me take this away. Take a minute or so you can grab some more and hydrate yourselves. So done. Wait a moment, I still forgot this. Okay, let's look on the looks. So this is say hello for 2 seconds and say hello only. So I'll tell you one of the actually 3 of the event blocks as well. When green flag clicked, wait a moment. Duplicate, we can do that, and we can wait a moment. Instead of that, how about we get another one? I'll just tell you for today. Think for, okay? Then an event block. This when green flag clicked, when space key pressed, and when sprite is clicked. So let's match them up. This one when green flag clicked goes to think at the bottom. This when space key pressed, say hello for 2 seconds. When sprite is clicked, say hello only. You can edit this by doing this. For example, if I wanted an L, or it would be an L. So you can do it. See? And if I click the sprite, it says a hello only. And him, or the. But I would do that. For the third one, I would do this. See? And you can delete your sprite by clicking this. And done. And this is how to add one. See? Let me write this sprite. And there's a flying one. See, our cat is flying. And this is to choose a sprite that we did and paint the sprite. And surprise, so this Ruby girl and surprise and upload a sprite. So if you wanted another sprite or a thing, you basically do it if you download it. So that's it, and you can do your backdrop. They are similar like this. I'll choose one. How about let me choose. You can copy me if you like. The waters. See, it doesn't match it, but it's not that bad. Maybe I should put something else. And I think I saw one, but I can't find it. This one cool. This one's cool. Like you're doing some maths work. So if I click back, you can go backwards. If I want to paint this, I can do this. I can wait a moment. Sorry. You can delete it by this, anyways. If I say, wait, this is how you choose your pen size, and I want this to be black. And black. Then, wait a moment. This could be 1, 2. Wait, sorry, it's a line. This is a 2, 3. And I learned this in my class. So you can do it. You will learn it today. I'll teach you a bit. So this is one. Wait. I'll just draw it, and you can draw it with me as well. Wait, let me get the eraser. So the eraser does it when you normally do anything. Wait, I'll just stop doing this. So okay, see, it's cool. And this is to edit your sprite's name. I could put Flyer, EE, or Lil Bunnies. Wait a moment. Bunnies. Little. I'll put Little Bunny. Little Bunny. So here we have a character. So it's pretty cool. You can zoom in like this, and if I drag one of these blocks, it's gigantic. But if we really want to do it, just look, it's just normal block. But if you want to make it equal, you just click this. Then it's equal. And you can scroll down with this. This is to make it invisible. See, where has my sprite gone? So see what? I think I deleted it. Let me get it again. Here. If I make him invisible and uninvisible, he's here, and let me try to get him. He should be here. What? How did I not spot him here? I'll put him here. Wait. Wow, wait, let's see where he is now. Oh, it's just here. Well, I think it doesn't move. I think all of us kind of knew that. This is to edit the size, so I'll put him 300 and wait, 350. He's super big, I'd say, and this is to edit the sounds. So look, it's like a pop sound. And if I want to edit it like this, wait, where is that? Yeah, it's this. If I didn't want the waiting part, I would click this and see. It's kind of like this, and if I put it louder, it's like this. And if I want to copy this, and copy, paste. What happened? Let's see it. Let me delete this. Wait a moment. Copy and paste. Let's see. See the sound. And this is a robot version. See? And I can delete my sound with this, and it's deleted, and this is deleted, and I'll delete my backdrop. Oh, I think you can't, but there's a cool thing. Can I erase it? I want to see how it looks erased. Let's see what 100 looks like. Done. Oh my gosh, that's big, but how am I make it 1,000 higher? See, I can erase it. Make a frame. Good, good, good. Done, 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 done. See, it's almost white. See, erased it. See, it's white. And I'll put some color in this. I'll make this 50,000. See, it's like a gigantic line. And this looks fun. How about let's have a drawing race. I'll draw 5 and a 1. 51. I know you can draw something better than me. But let's see. I'll give you 10 seconds or more. You can take it how much time you need. Until that, I'll do something else. You can finish and you can pause the video until I do something else. And are you finished? I think you will not be finished. So I'll wait. I'll add another sprite just in case I want it. See, there's a bear. I can choose the costume, and I could just make he has dots. Wait a moment. Are you guys done? Just asking. This looks funny. I think you guys should be finished. Everyone, please subscribe and like. Bye.